So Alhamdulillah, we're here at the blessed resting place of Sayyidina NABI Hud, and Alhamdulillah, we just had a major pilgrimage take place where up to 1 million people attended this year. And my brothers and sisters, through your kind donations, we managed to do all the tiling here, fix all the stairs up, and it's been absolutely amazing. And as you can see behind here, this is a brand new place being created here. Alhamdulillah. This year, this space has made a huge difference. But my brothers and sisters, we've got next year's project right now. All this ground here, you can see this is going to be retiled again. As you can see, these pillars here, there are going to be 3 floors made on top of this, inshallah ta'ala. So my brothers and sisters, in this blessed month of Ramadan, we are appealing to 200 brothers and sisters to come forward and donate just £1,000 each, inshallah ta'ala. And what's the beauty of this blessed month of Ramadan? That every single pound you donate, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala multiplies it by 70 times. So that £1,000 you're going to donate in this blessed month of Ramadan, inshallah ta'ala, it will be equivalent to donating 70,000 pounds, my brothers and sisters. And this is a Sadaqah Jarriyah which is going to continue all the way until the Day of Judgment. This is one of the greatest prophets of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, Sayyidina Hud A.S. A whole surah in the Quran is named after Sayyidina Hud A.S. So, my brothers and sisters, that's why we are here. We are serving one of the greatest prophets of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and Sayyidi Habib Umar bin Hafidh, Hafidahullah ta'ala, and his vision, inshallah ta'ala. And we are going to, inshallah ta'ala, start this project straight after the blessed month of Ramadan. So do not hesitate, open your hearts in this blessed month of Ramadan.